When people want to try and get this deep sense of knowing, I think what's very important is never take a hasty decision. So hasty decisions will normally come from like an emotional outburst or how you're feeling in the moment, or just getting carried away by your hormones or your emotions. The best decisions when you're actually listening to yourself come from a place of absolute calm and stillness. And sometimes that might take you 2 weeks to achieve. It might take you 3 months to achieve because there's so much going on in your life. But don't take a decision based on haste or things like that. But yeah, it takes a while to get into this process. For those who meditate, it's slightly easier to tap into. But yeah,
Yes, it does. I got very excited because this is very similar to a lot of the work which I do. And I often take people and leaders on retreats where I just let them be without thinking about whatever challenges. And by the end of it, they would have those answers.
you're letting everything settle.
Yes,
So the clarity comes from a moment of just being absolutely calm and settled.
yes. And this happens on the interpersonal level as well as a wider ecosystem level. That if you just settle down, calm down in your body, suddenly you can call it your intuition, gut, whatever. But suddenly you start to perceive or listen to or to make those discernments or decisions which were earlier not possible before. And you added a wonderful distinction about stillness and calmness. I think that's a wonderful. I think I've heard the first time somebody describe it that way, but that's a very good way to separate out what you feel might be something like inside of you, but might be a reaction from an emotion or something happened or something got triggered rather than something which is very deep, right? Which is operating from a place of calmness. And for me, it can happen the other way around as well. You might be doing something, but there might be something telling you this is not the right thing for you. It
Yeah,
can happen the other way.
correct.
Yeah.
A lot of times people will have sleepless nights. Like you will struggle to sleep, and then many people will just escape that. Either people will be very escapist in nature by, let's say, turning to TV shows or drugs or alcohol. But that is also an example of your body trying to communicate with you, saying that something is not right.